fellow Nigerians in South Africa, I want to use this medium opportunity to appreciate you guys once again, and our fathers, our brothers, our mother out there, for their support always and all the time towards the success and create a better Nigeria, towards the support they always give when it comes to our great nation, Nigeria. I want to use this medium opportunity to announce to us that we'll be having our protest on the 21st of October 2020, and the meeting point remain Francis Bard Museum Arts in Arcadia. That's gonna be the meeting point. Please and please be a part of this struggle. Come, invite your friends, come with your family. Let us encourage our brothers and sisters back home for the step they've taken for a better country, a better nation called Nigeria. Please and please, I urge you all to be part of this great struggle. God bless you all, and God bless Nigeria. God bless everyone that support this great struggle. Thank you, and I love you guys.